I invested £5 a day for 18 months. The results might surprise you. What would happen if you took £5 every single day and invested it into the stock market for a year and a half? Today I'm showing you exactly what happened. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Quick disclaimer drop, I am not a qualified financial advisor and nothing I say should be classed as financial advice. This is purely for entertainment purposes only. Always do your homework before investing. When investing, your capital is at risk. How did all this start? I've been investing for 8 years now. I first got into it back in 2018, where I was using whatever money I could earn online from surveys and actually bought a small amount of Bitcoin with it. And by just watching that price go up and down, it really pulled me in. And just seeing the returns you could get, I was hooked. Fast forward to 2026 and I've managed to build a portfolio worth over £75,000 across stocks and crypto, and I'm not planning on slowing down anytime soon. The challenge. 18 months ago, on the 18th of October 2024, I started a simple challenge. How fast could we hit £1 million by just investing a £5 a day? Why £5? Basically, it's realistic. It's the cost of a meal deal, or something you could easily earn from a small side hustle every single day. And that's basically how I've actually been funding this challenge. It's been through online surveys and other side hustles. Now, it is the 18th of April 2026. It's been 18 months. So how are we doing? The investment. A big part of this challenge was choosing the right investment. I went with an ETF, which stands for an exchange traded fund. It's essentially a collection of investments that you can buy and sell like a normal stock. The benefit of an ETF is that it's got diversification. Instead of putting all your money into one individual company, your £5 is spread across hundreds or thousands of companies, and that makes it less risky than picking individual stocks. For this challenge, I am going to be choosing the S&P 500 accumulation fund, which is one of the most popular options on Trading 212. This S&P 500 fund tracks 500 of the largest companies in the US, the likes of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and even Tesla. So every time I invest, I'm buying a small piece of all of these different companies. I'm also investing through a stocks and shares ISA, which means any gains or dividends I get through these investments are totally tax-free. In the US, they have something similar. I think it's called like a Roth IRA, but I'm not too sure on how those work. I'm also using the application known as Trading 212, mainly because they offer commission-free investing. And the thing is, you can actually automate your daily deposits into this investment fund, which makes it easy to actually manage this whole challenge. I don't have to log on every day. It's done in the background. I've actually left a link in the description to Trading 212 if you do fancy signing up. Sometimes they offer free shares when you sign up with someone's link and then deposit £1. If you actually use my link, I'll actually gain a free share, but that won't change my view of the whole platform. The results. So how did we perform? After 1 month, I had invested £155 and the portfolio was worth £158.92. That's a gain of £3.92 or around 2.53%, which was a strong start. After 3 months, I had invested £465 and my investments had grown to £489.23. That's an increase of £24.23 or around 10.7%. After 6 months, things did change. I had invested £905, but the value of this fund dropped to £788.32. That's down £116.68. or down 25.5%. After the 1 year mark, I had invested £1,825 and the portfolio had recovered to £2,031.62. That's an increase of 15.8%. Now at 18 months, I've invested a total of £2,740. The portfolio is currently worth £3,058.54. That's a gain of £318.54 or a return of around 26.4%. If we look at different time frames, first off, in the last week I am up £109.66, which is a rate of return of around 3.7%. And then over the last 12 months I am up £426.73 or 25.4%. And if you look back to April 2025, I was down over 25%. and now it's completely turned around. There's been three main reasons why we've seen this massive growth over the last 12 months. First, big tech has driven a lot of growth. Companies like Apple, Microsoft and �NVIDIA have had a massive impact. �NVIDIA in particular has seen massive growth due to demand for AI chips.
NVIDIA graphics processing units, like these latest Blackwell GPUs, are inside server racks all over the world. NVIDIA has catapulted from gaming giant to the very core of generative AI.
Secondly, AI is no longer just hype. Companies are investing heavily into this space and pricing for future growth. Thirdly, expectations around interest rates have shifted. Investors are anticipating rate cuts, and that tends to push stock valuations even higher, which is great for us investors. Lump sum versus daily investing. Now here's an interesting comparison. What if I had invested the full £2,740 at the very beginning of this challenge instead of doing £5 a day? That lump sum could have grown to around £3,150 today, and that is higher than what I would have got if I invested £5 every day. Truth be told, by investing daily, I have reduced my risk through something called dollar cost averaging. This spreads my investments over time and smooths out the market volatility, which is something I really wanted. Even when the fund started to drop, I was still buying this fund every single day, and that actually helped me out in the long term. I got rid of the risk and I saw some great growth, and now I'm back in profit. Lessons. This challenge has had both highs and lows, but that's just how investing works. Over the past 50 years, the S&P 500 has averaged around a 10% annual return. So being up over 25% in this period is strong, but it shows how unpredictable things can be for the short term. The key for investing is being consistent and thinking long term. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but staying invested is what matters, and that's kind of my philosophy. What's next? So you may be thinking, how long am I going to keep this challenge going? What's next? Well, I've hit 18 months, and the next update will be at the 2-year mark on the 18th of October 2026, which seems a fever dream away. All the money I make from this challenge is just going to allow me to have more exposure to the US market, and in the future I may use this money to potentially pay off my mortgage or even invest into another property which I could rent out for some more passive income. Wrapping up. For me personally, investing is one of my favourite ways to build long-term wealth. These last 18 months have flown by, and seeing this challenge generate over £300 in profit with a return of over 25% has been great to see. And I'm curious to see where we're going to be at in October, because it'll be here before we know it. If you are interested in trying trading 212, there is a link in the description, and like I mentioned earlier, sometimes they can offer free shares when you sign up through someone's referral. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.